Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. Summertime is the opening aria from George Gershwin's folk opera Porgy and Bess. It was first performed in 1935. The story of the opera is taken from the novel Porgy by DuBose Haywood. It's a gritty and spirited tale of South Carolina, and it's the first great American opera about a black American community and performed by black artists. There are apparently at least 25,000 versions of the song, making it the most covered song in the world. I'm sticking to the original key of A minor, although it's a bit low for me, but I'm using a baritone ukulele. It's a Pono MBD, which is tuned like the first, second and third and fourth strings of a guitar, just as a bass ukulele is tuned like strings 3, 4, 5 and 6 of a guitar. However, the intervals between the strings are the same, so you can use the same shapes, but the resulting key will be 5 notes, or rather 8 semitones higher. It's called a perfect fifth. I'm using the fingering therefore of D minor, but it will sound like A minor, which means you can play it on a baritone uke along with others playing normal ukes in A minor, or you can choose to play it on a normal uke in D minor and make it higher in pitch, which might suit your voice better. I'll sing it through and then I'll go through the chords in both keys. Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping, the cotton is high. Oh, your daddy's rich and your mama's good looking. So look, hush little baby, don't you cry. One of these mornings you're gonna rise up singing, and you'll spread your wings and you'll take to the sky. But till that morning, there ain't nothing can harm you. With daddy and mommy standing by. First of all, let me just show the finger pattern that I'm using, although you can equally well use brush strokes all the way through, as I'll show later on. But I'm using here a thumb on string 4, first finger on string 3, second finger on string 2, and third finger on string 1. And the pattern, give it a bit of a swing. And you could play those two notes together. And then when you come to the fish are jumping, it's a G minor chord and a B flat with a brush and a C sharp diminished seventh. Just as a bit of a change. Now I'll go through the chords. It's in D minor. Remember, though, I'm playing it on a baritone, so it'll sound as if it's an A chord of A minor. So it starts with a D minor, and changes to an A7. Summertime, the living is easy. D minor, and it's alternates between those two. Then the fish are jumping at G minor. Now you need a B flat chord. Now that's a tricky one, I know. And you've got a bar up string 1 and an A shape. The A shape just moved up. If you find that difficult, there are some alternatives, and one of them is to just do the top 3 strings and leave the one string open, because that's the 6th. So you've got a B flat 6 chord. It doesn't sound too bad. You can finger that either with a small bar, or you can finger it with 2 fingers like this. And the curtain is high. If you find both difficult, then just stay on the G minor chord. Fish are jumping, and the curtain is high. It works fine, and I've done that in the A minor version. I just stayed on the chord. Put back again to the D minor A7. D is rich, and your mama's good looking. F chord, so look, little baby, then back to the A7, don't you cry. And that's it. Switching now to a tenor ukulele, and this is an Antonio Cavallo TT model. A minor, summertime, E7, alternate those, and the living is easy. D minor chord, fish are jumping, E7, and the curtain is now a C diminished 7th instead of a C sharp. That's a bit awkward. Down to an E. Oh, your daddy's rich, and your mama's good looking. So C, hush, little baby. E7, don't, A minor, you cry. And that's it. So you can play that in ordinary ukes, tenor, concert or soprano, along with the baritone playing in D minor. So you now have the choice of 2 keys and 2 instruments, the tenor or the baritone. Anyway, whatever you do and however you do it, have fun.